Okay, this is episode 1.5 of the Floodgate series. So this isn't really a full episode, just rather just like a little half of it. There's two things I want to fix. One is that in the script, the alpha variable is very inconsistent. That's barely one speed, and look in how fast it went. So instead of this just adding on to this, we can just set that to a local variable. So that will fix it. Now look at that. Now it's consistent. Now, the second thing I wanted to fix was the character. If the player didn't load in fast enough, it wouldn't get a character. So to fix that, just if character, then just paste that back in there. That's it. The next thing I wanted to add was the oxygen. You couldn't see the player's oxygen. The only way you can see it by going into the value. So if you want that, add a screen GUI, call it misspelled player UI. You can add 2 frames in there, or start off with one. I will have this as like a little bar. So yeah, let's see. Okay, there you go. Frame. I'll name this max oxygen, and text label just right in the middle here. There you go. Just waiting for that snap. Set the text scaled, and I will name this oxygen level. In here, insert a new. Did not mean to reparent it. So there's a new frame. Size this up to here. Make sure this frame has a higher index than this frame, so it'll always appear on top. So this will be current oxygen. And now I can just recolor these. I'll just go for a basic blue look. And make sure the oxygen level has a higher index than this so it can only appear on top. So now, never mind, let me just make this a bit darker. There you go. Now you can see it more clearly. So now I'm going to take all these, go into my plugins, and auto scale them. Now, after that, you want to insert another local script. I'll just like a UI controller. In here, I'll just define the player variable. So local players equals game, get service, players. And then local play, no, not player. Local player equals players dot local player. So player dot character appearance loaded, just connect this into a function. Well, you only need to do this once. So now let's define our UI. Local GUI equals script dot parent local max, no, not maxi, max oxygen equals GUI wait for child max oxygen. Local current oxygen equals max oxygen wait for child current oxygen, and local oxygen level equals max oxygen wait for child oxygen level. Okay, now what are the variables I added? So oxygen and max oxygen. So first of all, let's define the difference between them. So local percent equals, or before that actually, let's define the variables in our player. Equals player, wait for child, player variables. Is that what I named it? No, player values. And local max oxygen equals player values, wait for child, max underscore oxygen. And then our oxygen equals player values, wait for child, oxygen. Alright, now we have those. So local percent equals oxygen dot value divided by our max oxygen dot value. Now we want to set this, so we want to set the size of this. That size equals unium2.new percent comma 0 comma 1 comma 0. And that should be it. Oh wait, the oxygen level. So local oxygen level dot text equals oxygen dot value. And it should work. It's not working. Why aren't you working? Wait, what? Did I do something wrong? Oh wait, yeah. Oxygen dot change connect. I gotta connect this to a function. And for this, I'm gonna actually take off the reset on spawn. There you go. Now it does it. If we leave this, it goes back up again. Get back in this. See, it works. It's really nice, and that's all I wanted to do for episode 1.5. Just fixing a few bugs and making sure this all works neatly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this episode. And hopefully I'll get episode 2 ready as fast as possible.